What up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Lowrider Vlogs. And this time we're going to be traveling north to a place called Indio. And we're going to be supporting and showing love to women, empowering women. I got my boy Eddie right here. He's taking us there. He's actually the driver right now.
That's right.
And so I could get you coverage for this video. Much love to Eddie. Also, is going to be performing there is OG Green Eyes, Miss Little One, Monique, aka Lady Sawed Off, and many, many more. So you don't want to miss this video. And we are actually coming from San Diego all the way to, like I said, north to Indio, taking us almost 3 hours, ladies and gentlemen. So you guys get to see this amazing coverage, and we're going to take you there today. You don't want to miss this. Let's roll. So we are actually in the middle, almost passing Escondido. You see the 78 to Oceanside. West actually is to Oceanside and Vista and all that, and San Marcos, and then 78 East is Ramona. So yeah, we're actually passing that bridge, and then you got a Norte Parkway right there. So, and much love to the people, you know what I'm saying, living up here in the North County area. 619 and 7760, baby.
Our condolences to people that, you know, have lost their lives in those fires, man. They got those fires going on right now over there in LA, man. You know, there's a lot of shit going on. So, you know, our prayers to all the families up there.
Yeah, exactly. Like Eddie said, we'll give our deep condolences, a deep prayer to the people in LA that lost their homes and are suffering, you know, right now as we speak. You know, it's crazy, and just, yeah, wanted to, you know, give a special prayer. Also, the people that are watching this too, you know, give them a prayer as well. Hopefully things will get better, you know, like within the month. So yeah. And here is the passing point, you know what I'm saying? We are actually in pretty much, where we at, Temecula area almost?
Yeah.
Almost Temecula area, Marietta. Riverside. See that sign, Temecula 30 miles, Riverside 51 miles, San Bernardino 62 miles. So yeah, so we are getting closer to our destination. Yeah, right, we still got another hour or some change, but we're getting closer though. The beautiful mountains here. Yeah. So we are on the 215 north, and there's the exit Los Albos Road. So we are gonna hit the 60 east at about 20 something miles. So yeah, this is what it looks like out here. It's all different, it's all foreign to me and Eddie. I mean, I don't really come up this way, but like I said, we're gonna be going all over the place. LA, I believe we got another event in March, right? Big Red Chula.
Yes, sir.
So that one also expected to go up there, and then a few more, you know what I'm saying? Like, we're gonna be going, like I said, LA, and then wherever else, you know, the big ones are, to show our love and support. So this is Menifee Canyon Lake, Islandor, whatever you want to call it, Mount San Jacinto College, next right, Newport Road. So yeah, we out here, you know what I'm saying? On a beautiful Saturday morning / early afternoon. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. And if you ain't, crack a beer, you know what I'm saying? Crack something, you know what I mean? Throw your ass in cold ass water or some shit, you know? So here we are going on the 60 east to Indio. As you saw that sign. So there's a little bit of traffic here, a little traffic jam, a little accident. But yeah, we're getting up there. And here we are. We got the 60 West, Riverside, San Bernardino, the Interstate 215, and the 60 East to Indio. Indio, here we come. showing our love, support, you know what I mean? From San Diego to Indio, and everybody in that beautiful city, beautiful community. So we're on the 10 East, that's in Hargrave Street. Hargrave Street, my bad. So yeah, look at those mountains over there. It's nice out here too. It's not like too hot. So yeah, this is how it looks over here on the 10 East, Morongo Trail, you know what I mean? Big old mountain right there. So kind of like Palm Springs, you know?
Yep.
So yeah, you got the windmills. It does get windy out here too. Very, very windy. So yeah, there's a bunch of windmills right there, you know what I mean? All over. Definitely won't see this in San Diego, man, I'll tell you that. So we actually pulled up to this first taco shop, Taco Jalisco. It was the first one we saw getting off the exit on Monroe Street on Oliver Avenue, I believe how you say it. Correct me if I'm wrong. But couldn't take it no more. It was one trip. Didn't even go to the bathroom or anything. It was just one trip, and this was the first time we got off on, you know what I mean? Get a burrito and had to take a piss, man. And there's this what it looks like. So we are far from home, ladies and gentlemen. Damn. Well, finally, you can see that sign right there. Indio. So yeah. So we are showing our love and support here in Indio. You know what I mean? But yeah. It's way different out here. But anyway, let's go ahead and try this food here in Indio. Give it a little taste, a little sampler, you know what I mean? And fill a little tummies up. So yeah, man, that's what it looks like right here. Taco Jalisco in Indio. About to eat our chips and beans right here. That looks pretty good, man.
Little appetizer, but
yeah. How you feeling?
feeling good, man.
Yeah.
Can't wait to eat this carnitas burrito.
Yeah. So how do you feel here being in Indio, you know what I mean? Coming all the way from San Diego.
Long drive. I felt it when I got off the car, man.
Yeah.
I had to spread my butt cheeks.
Yeah, man, when I got out the car, my butt cheeks, I was spraying them too, man.
Right?
First thing I did was order the food and hit the bathroom, man.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, so excited to go to the Women Empowering Women event.
Mm-hmm.
So a lot of our friends are out there, you know what I'm saying? OG Green Eye is going to be performing. Miss Miss Little One, my bad. Lady Sada, Monique, and many, many more. A lot of beautiful cars. A lot of beautiful people.
¿Gustan limón, muchachos, o es también así?
You want lemon or anything?
No, así está bien. Gracias. So here we got a burrito right here in Indio. The carne asada burrito. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what it's hitting for. What'd you get? Carnitas?
Carnitas.
I'll show that right there. Oh yeah. Take a bite. It's good?
Yes, it is.
From 1 to a 10.
It's a 10.
For sure, for sure. Let me try mine. Indio carne asada burrito. Let's try it out. Let's see what it's hitting for. See if it's smack or if it's whack. So this is a salsa verde. That's cool, man, but I ain't gonna be honest with you guys. I'm used to the ones in San Diego, you know, just with straight carne asada, picadillo, a little bit of guacamole, so give it a 7. Forgive me, Indio. Forgive me. That's what it is. So yeah, we just arrived right here in this park right here. I don't know what it's called, but it's pretty cracking right now. We got Game Over in the house, Game Over Goons.
So thanks for supporting. Don't forget March 22nd, we got fastball.net and Big Red Chili's second annual show and shine is going down at our Convince Casino in Palm Springs, California. It's going to be a good one there. Got lots of room, a lot of cars. We got your trailer parking for you guys right on spot. Right, you guys can see your trailers as they're there. Also, we got the general public parking as well. Got a lot of good stuff in store for you that day. We got a lady lane for all lady lowriders. We got a kids zone for all the kids. So bring the family. That's going to be a great day. That's again March 22nd. All at the casino in Palm Springs. With fastball.net and Big Red Chili, our second annual show.
Hey, I don't have to go to work. Scooped up my girls, running a sawed-off shirts. Looking pretty clean with them using tight skirts. Blazing us out of foot, starting to blur. Wanted to look the street, that get ass word. As a girl stay out, but I don't mean to be jerks. Cruising J Street, and I'm feeling summer breeze. San Diego weather's perfect, 70 degrees. Pumping so loud, I think I bring the views. With the regular week, I think it backs my booze. On a Sunday, Monday, mom, but then taking a cruise. Shout out Lowrider. Shout out Mom and Papa. Let's go, DJ.
That's right.
Turn it up, DJ.
I know.
What's up, Gangster Love? Check me out, Spotify, iTunes. Gangster Love. And much love as in the house. Much love in you. Gangster Love. Doing it the pay, I didn't say shit. In the station, extending bliss. I'll lose it all for you. I got to blame for you. I'm that gangster bitch. Thought you knew. Hold it down for me. Like I did for you. Got better with time, be out in the view. Hope you'll be waiting. And you'll not dating. Got buzzed in the trade. Pay not trouble, I'm waiting. In love with the gangster. I just wanna thank you. Can't wait to be home. So yeah, I didn't say, I'll bet you coolly tell me my body wrong. You that gangster love. From my gangster love. This song's called All Night Long. I hope the Valerie's favorite. That's right. Looking hella fresh, it's the quarter past 9. Hold up, baby, you got a wait line. God loves me. Much love to all the Lowrider girls. My sub battle, she's here from Northern California. Throwing bets, hard times facing to fundraising, supporting each other, embracing. Down to the shop, Logan Avenue, cruising towards Holland Avenue, South Bay, 3rd Avenue, quick stop after this one spot. Oldies, look what I bought. Finally reached J Street, can it be up to a boy to eat? Feeling elote, gonna sell me. Public stop, so what to eat? Just tonight, rest in peace. In love with the gangsters, I repeat. If they can do it, what they can do. Encouraging each other, keeping it true. Knocking Cortez's chips to their shoes. No more Modelos, we out of brews. Look for ride, see you next week. Sun's going down, feeling beat. Shout out to my Lowrider girls that showed up. Yeah.
Hey, them streets up in here.
Hey, what up?
Once again, if we can make our way to Classic Vibe Radio DJ Primo, we got Miss Green Eyes, we got Mrs. Little One going to be performing in 10 minutes. Once again, if I can get some help and let's gather these people over here, let's get a damn good show going on. We're gonna have Mariah Avila gonna be here after these beautiful women perform. Once again, if we can make our way, if I can get some help to get people coming this way, let's see a badass performers right now. We got 10 minutes. We got Miss Little One and Miss Green Eyes. They get down. They get down. Let's see what they got. Let's see what we can hear. Let's get some good energy here. I see beautifulness right here. But somebody, let's start pulling some people over here this way in 10 minutes. Let's get this show going. Let's hear some badass music. Let's get it going. I want to thank all you guys for coming out for this first annual Women's Empowerment event. I mean, this is what it's all about, you guys. Let's come together because why? Together we are stronger, and I'm a true believer in that. There's no competition. There's no hating. We're all in this together. But I want to thank all of you guys. Let's just make our way, everybody. Let's gather up. Let's just start word of mouth. Let's get them all over here in 10 minutes. We good? Primo, we good?
Hey, Michael.
We got Ralphie in the house.
That's right.
We got Annie from them streets here. We got Lady
right.
Lowrider. We got Ross. We got True Pride. We got
Indio. We're in Indio. Come on out.
Michael P.
But we want to thank you guys. Thank you. Let's just see a good performance right now. Let's have these women come up in 10 minutes. Everybody, once again, let's try to word of mouth, get everybody over here. 10 minutes. Let's see these women get down to badass.
People that know me, I'm known Rafael C100.
Yes, okay. Rabila in the house. Woohoo! Yes. So, if I can get some help to get everybody over here, let's get this crowd going. Let's listen to some badass music.
Hey, what up?
What's cracking, Ralph? I haven't seen you in so long.
I know. Hey, so it's gonna be your other event that you're performing. So I know you feel more. How do you feel?
I feel good. I feel good. I mean, we've never come this far up north, besides Las Vegas, but that's not really up north. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So it's kind of exciting. We're excited about it. I got my home, the little one right there.
That's right.
We got a lot of nice things coming up. We got Lady Sodoff right there too.
Yeah, Lady Sodoff.
We all came up here from San Diego. We're all excited about it, and you know what I'm saying? It's nothing but love. All from 213 all the way down to 619.
Lady Sodoff in the house. Hey, what's up?
Right, what up? Right here, came from SD, show me love, much love, Indio, California. You know what I mean? We're out here having a good time, nothing but a good thing, nothing but positive vibes.
That's right.
It's all love, it's all family up here.
Yeah. Heck yeah. So how do you guys feel up in Indio over here? A little different.
So good.
It's cool?
It's cool. Got Minerva over there, my old friend right there, go hi.
Yeah. Yeah, I love it. I love it, man. I love it out here, man. I feel like it's family out here, you know? Family oriented.
San Diego is a place to be. And living down high is where you find me. Two pumps and the drug juiced up, let's go. Nothing but the best crowd down hot balls. Shining right cause I feel so good. Sending much love to all the neighborhoods. So sit back, yeah, cause now we're on a mission. Throw your hood up in the air cause there ain't nobody tripping. Let me drop these bars for the homies that cruise. They call me Green Eyes on the beautiful view. Let me cruising down Highland, looking really good. I'm about to flip a bitch and go back to my hood. Southbound Broadway, right on J. Let me park my ride, let me bounce and play. Aw, damn, look at that shit. What you gonna do, Green? Hit my switch. From the right to the left, to the left, to the right. Everybody likes my side to side. I'm an old school guest, I'm an old school G. San Diego, baby, and they call me Big Green. It's Miss Little One, yeah, you know what they call me. I'm Miss Little One, yeah, you know I got it on me. Cruising with the low-lows and the big body. South Bay streets, SRTs, big dualies, ARPs. Pedal to the metal, pop 50, let's go. Everybody knows I'm from the big dead curve. Hit that switch, yeah, drop that ride. That's how we do it in the 619. We like to get down and we like to have fun. Missing with the drama cause you don't want none. We do what we do and you know we don't stop. I'll see you at 6 at Sugar Bear's Hot. But the shady ass hoes wanna kick it tight. Let me laugh in your face while you laugh at my back. You a shady ass hoe and you need to get slapped. You see 9 out of 10 bitches, they be fake. And the one that you trust is a poison ass snake. You run around town with my name in your mouth, but you can never disrespect me cause my name carries clout. San Diego is the city that you know that I'm from. If you a hating ass bitch, you better run. G to the R to the double E-N. Fuck a fake homie and fuck a fake friend. I said what I said, nothing more, nothing less. Cause I'm a real gangster bitch with a G on my chest. I said it one time, let me say it again. That these other bitches that I call friends. How many of us have them? But the dictionary doesn't know the meaning of friend. Once we can depend on friends. How many of us have them? But the dictionary doesn't know the meaning of friend. Once we can depend on. Yo, be careful who you fuck with, especially them phonies. Do a little time and you learn about your homies. I ain't really gotta say, yo, you know about that fake shit. Go and turn around and you witness all that snake shit. Talk behind your back, always hating on your dollar. Spun into your girl, yo, these fools try to holler. Better learn what the president and what a peasant is. What a curse is and what a blessing is. The devil on your shoulder, yelling be a soldier. Now you in a cell and every day it gets colder. Sitting by your lonely, better recognize the real. Better go and pay attention to the feelings that you feel. Salute to the real that kept the fuel for the jump. And prayers to the ones that been faking all the fuck. Always stand by my lonely, I got my own back. So do what you gotta do, you'll always get it back, motherfuckers. How many of us have them? But the dictionary doesn't know the meaning of friends. Once we can depend on friends. How many of us have them? But the dictionary doesn't know the meaning of friends, right? Once we can depend on. I put a hole in that demon ass soul. Haters up to him, but try to copy, I'm the no fuck a waster. I'm a bonafide, certified San Diego gangster. San Diego gangster. If you really gonna show, if you fake, I'm a no. So fuck a fake bitch and fuck a fake hoe. What fake hoe means, who needs enemies? I only fear God, no man, cause you bleed how I bleed. Cut everybody, y'all started working on my dreams. Nobody helped me out, I still made it out the streets. I'm not your average kid, can't compare to hold of me. My bag so deep, I only racks in my sleeve. Couldn't trust you with the keys, couldn't trust you with the cheese. Fake motherfuckers, lie through their teeth. I'ma keep it real till I die, cause I'm a motherfucking G. I'm a motherfucking G. How many of us have them? But the dictionary doesn't know the meaning of friend. Once we can depend on friends. doesn't know the meaning of friend. One we can depend on.
That's right, get it, girl.
I think that shit's really serious. Motherfuckers waiting to get shot in the corner. Revival territories. And when you get done, everybody's sad. Motherfucker, you know what you had coming. So peep this, motherfuckers.
It's me versus me, I never been in competition. No put me for myself, I'm just a killer on a mission. As I say, yeah, my pistol reminiscing. I don't wanna have to do it, but if they're tripping, then I'm tripping. I'm like Scotty Pippen with this lucky, I ain't sleeping. In the SRT, look how the fuck I rip it. I rock the cleanest kitchen, I be cooking in the kitchen. I spend bands on some bonafide so I could be tripping. I'm on the money mission, don't be speaking if you listen. I'm steady pistol whipping so the haters have resistance. Calculate the odds and I'm shooting with precision. You couldn't watch me now if you were in my position. Protegiendo a mi hijo que está siempre por mi lado. Pocos pero locos, si estamos en el enfoco. Te coloco, te convoco, te sofoco. Una madre como yo no te desemboco.
Now this could have been worse. Or maybe this could have been. Nobody knows. Nobody cares. Now this could have been worse. Or maybe this could have been. Nobody knows. Nobody cares.
6 to the 1 to the motherfucking 9. December all alone will blow your fucking mind. From the south side, baby, yeah, tip of the west. Respect from us, or you get your ass tracked. You claiming you a gangster, you claiming you a G. You're not even on my level, yeah, bitch, you beneath. So sit your ass down, take a seat in the back. Cause I'm rolling at you hard and I'm coming first class. Green eyes is the one taking over the place. You wanna disrespect me once, bro, bitch, you get erased. Better check yourself because you can't check me. Cause I'll bury your ass, bitch, 6 feet deep. I'll leave you in the coffin and I'll leave your ass dead. What you gonna do? Yeah, I said what I said. I'm a 5-star general, so miss me with the games. I'm a real gangster bitch, yeah, you know I'm insane. Run, motherfucker, run. Green eyes on the mic, yeah, you don't want none.
Now this could have been worse. Maybe this could have been. Nobody knows. Nobody cares. Now this could have been worse. Or maybe this could have been. Nobody knows. Nobody cares.
Is by. I think I found the new love you found. And my
DJ. Yeah. All right, thank you.
What up, what up? Here we are in Indio. We actually made it to the park. I ran into Aurelia here in beautiful Indio. And she's from, where you from?
From Arizona.
Arizona in the house. Check it out.
Arizona in the house.
And we bumped into each other. We're at Day by the Bay, right?
Yes, Day by the Bay. Also, Women Empowerment Show last year in San Diego. So yeah, it's dope.
Heck yeah.
See you around.
So, so you say you're from a car club, right?
Yes, Ladies First Car Club out in Arizona. We also have a little girls Lowrider Bike Club. They're the little ladies. They rolling deep out here today.
Yeah.
We brought them out here for Women Empowerment Day. We wanted them to come and see all the beautiful women and the beautiful cars out here on this beautiful ass day.
Heck yeah. Hey, so how is it in Arizona? Man, I've never been out there.
It's dope.
Yeah?
It's dope out there, yeah. It's a little warmer than this,
Yeah.
but it's nice. It's nice. We got low riding weather 9 to 10 months out of the year. So we're low riding all the time. It's always low rider season, except for like July. So July, August, you know?
Yeah, that's right. So we're here supporting the Women Empire Women event, car show event. Hey, what park we at? You know?
I don't know what park we're at. I don't know.
But anyways, in the comments, if you guys could help us out with the park where we're at. Like I said, I'm from San Diego. She's from Arizona. So like I said, we're showing love over here. Beautiful, beautiful people here. A lot of beautiful cars. And you know, and everything like that.
Yes, beautiful turnout today. Beautiful turnout for the women, for the lowrider culture. It's dope. It's dope. So yes, we got Psycho Rails in the house, Instagram and TikTok.
Oh yeah, is that your brand on Instagram?
That's my at Psycho Rails.
Psycho Rails.
_Rails.
Oh yeah. Hey, check her out on Instagram. You know what I mean? And what do you have on Instagram so when they check out your page, they know what they're looking for?
It's me with the brim hat in the front, and my cover photo is me in front of my white 64 Impala.
That's right. Yeah. Check out her page.
Yep.
Hey,
you got good shit on there. It's a good page.
Heck yeah, check it out, man. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Ruthie!
And we got Elsie right here. She's the one doing a lot of the content creation. So yeah, she does a lot for
the Rolling Culture Queens. Shout out to Rolling Culture Queens. Shout out to Santanetta, Vanessa, and Big Red Chula.
Heck yeah, shout out to the Culture Queens.
Big Red Chula is having a big event March 22nd, I believe it is.
Yeah.
So check that out.
So stick around. We're at Vila, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, Jesus. Okay, anyway, thanks for coming out supporting the Coachella Valley Women's Empowerment Car Show.
We'll sing it together. We'll sing it together. You guys want to help me out? Here we go. Singing happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Eric. Somebody make some noise for him. Come on. Happy birthday to you. You're welcome. Do we have any oldie but goodie fans in the house? I know we do.
So we got the hops going on right now. See how they do it over here in Indio, California. So we got one on the rise. Some sparks went off, so not sure if they're gonna hop it. Spark was flying in the mother, you know what I'm saying? So it might be out of commission. We'll see what's up. That's what's going on here. We'll see if they can get it back on its feet. Beautiful car though, beautiful, beautiful car. So we'll see what this baby right here, you know what I'm saying? See what it be like. See what it do over here, you know what I mean? So here we got another car. We got the, I believe it's a Cutlass Oldsmobile. Correct me if I'm wrong, leave it in the comments. So yeah, gonna do this thing.
I thought que ya te había sido. No? You're gonna stay till the end?
And man, this place is packed, homie, you know what I'm saying? Everybody right here in this mother, up in this biatch, you know what I'm saying? All the way back to the park, all the way back to the tree, you know what I mean? Damn, this is how they do it out here. Yeah, the Cutlass did his thing right there, you know what I'm saying? Roll that bitch to the glass fell off, you know what I mean? That's how they do it out here, yeah. And we got a Brian Woods song, Rest in Peace. Brian Woods, R.I.P. to Brian Woods. Grown up to oldies. And here we are, 2025. Beautiful Indio, California. And I believe we got another Cutlass. I believe it's Rubio's hydraulics that's under this whip right here. You know what I mean? So yeah, let's see what they got.
Oh yeah.
We got all these beautiful trucks and cars. It goes all the way down. You got the mountains over there, you know what I mean? So a little different, you know, different view over here. But it's all one love, you know what I mean? One family, one beautiful culture. Badass truck right there. Got a beautiful Chevrolet, I believe it's Impala, also known as the cat eyes, fish eyes, not my bad, cat eyes. And I believe, correct me if I'm wrong, it's a I would say 1959, 1960 Impala. Like I said, correct me if I'm wrong. And we got a 67 Chevy Impala. Some more Impalas right here. Man, look at that. And I believe this is, I would say it's a 69 Chevy Impala, a 1968 Chevy Impala. And we got a Regal. And more Impalas. I believe this is a 6 Deuce. I believe it's a 62. Check correct if I'm wrong. 65, that's for sure. Impala Super Sport. My cousin had one of these, so I used to always ride with them, you know what I mean? In the 65 Super Sport on Highland Avenue, baby, yeah. I'll tell you a story. One time, went down my very first time in National City. I met these girls named Azalea and Elizabeth. I had no game at all. Just came out of church and everything. I was about 17, I believe. And my cousin, his starter, I know he couldn't stop the car. And I approached these beautiful women, beautiful girls at the time. And they're at a bench. And I was so nervous, but I said, you know what? Let me see what I can do. I went over there and guess what song I sang? You are not alone. I am here with you. I don't know, it's a Michael Jackson song. And I got the number. Yeah, that. In the 65, he could not turn off the starter, so he had to be by the car. And I did all the work, all the macking. Started at the young age. And some more beautiful cars.